Beef, Jerky, and Dominos, the game of souls.
At the end of the day, you gotta give power to somebody.
A
A lot of people give power to the devil because they use the fear of the devil. They like, oh, the devil's doing this. The devil, devil this, devil this. But I'm like, the more you call,
But don't Christians do that?
that's what I'm saying. Especially Christians, in terms of, especially a lot of church people, I find they give the power to the person they don't want to have the power.
What you mean?
Yeah, what does that
In terms of like a lot of things that's going on in their lives that is bad, they get the power to the devil. They like, this is happening because of him. And I'm like, well, if
not
you,
because of self?
yeah, not even as in some ways you go make it a positive and say like, God is testing me.
Right.
That would be a more positive image rather than, no, Satan is walking with me everywhere I go, ruining my day. Like, then you obviously think about him too much, you must be worshiping him. Like,
A lot of people feel that way though.
if you think about him too much, you're giving him power. If you think everything that happens in your life is thanks to him, who do you praise?
Game of souls, similar to the game of dominoes. And as we all pose, we wonder often, is this a friend or a foe? Because there is no middle.